So this is similar to what you did in your science class with Punnett squares, and it's same thing that you've done when you multiply two numbers or numbers with two digits, so to speak. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a picture of this, then I'm going to just put down my numbers, and then I'm going to check it using Desmos to make sure I'm correct. This is squares, so I'm going to use, I like blue. You're doing multiplication of these two things, so this moves this way, and these move down. And what it's saying to do is multiply the things. So this is saying, this first one says multiply x and x. This one is saying multiply, and it doesn't matter which one you put first, you're just going to rewrite it, saying 13 and x. This one says multiply, you can say 8 and x. That's a terrible 8. And this one's saying multiply 8 and 13. When you look at it, only the last one is a pure number. All these other ones are these crazy Punnett squares. Now, this is not exactly how I fill out the squares, but I do this on a piece of paper. So the easiest two to do, well, actually easiest, three of them are really easy. So I can say x times x. Do not say 2x, it's actually x squared. X times x is x squared. Then x times 13 is 13x. You write the number first, then the letter. 8 times x, well, the number's already first, is going to be 8x. The number's first, so I'm going to write 8x. And just in case you don't know, 8 times 13, you can use Desmos to calculate that, and I would suggest using Desmos to calculate that. 8 times 13 is 104. All right, we're partially the way there. Now what we have to figure out is we have to combine the two terms, the two middle terms, because they're the same. So let me get a different color here. These terms we have to combine. We have to add them. So we combine them. We add them. Same thing over here. These are the two terms we're adding. So then I say 13 plus 8. Hopefully you know 13 plus 8 is 21. And the x comes down. So it's 21x. So we combine those. Then the rest just come down. So I have x squared. I just move it down. Then I move down the 104. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for an x squared, a 21x, and a 104. The only one that matches is answer choice A. The hardest part is combining the two things that are alike. That's the hardest part. You got to remember that.